Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanesh Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to helping learning mathematics and understanding method. Because sometimes some answer and solution are very short, but we cannot understand how it is solid. So today's we start a topic is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, in previous time we have already learned that in linear equation. Coordinate geometry are the part of graph. In graph we have already learned that we have two axes, y axis and x axis. Horizontal axis x dash x is called x-axis and vertical axis y dash is called y-axis and they intersect each other at a point is called origin. And here we have some value for on x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, similarly in negative part -1, -2, -3 and that is called abscissa. Value of x-axis is called abscissa. Second, the value of y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 and -1, -2, -3, -4. The value of y-axis is called ordinate. Let's we take a point. Take a point. Suppose that it is A. We draw a perpendicular from point to x-axis. Point to x-axis. That is called, we draw a perpendicular from point to x-axis, we get a value that is called abscissa. That is called abscissa. We draw a perpendicular from point to x-axis, we get a value that is called abscissa. Similarly, we draw a perpendicular from point to y-axis, we get a value that is called ordinate. Here, ordinate is 3. And combined form abscissa and ordinate is called coordinate. Is called coordinate. But here we have also learned what is the distance from x-axis and y-axis and what is the distance from 2 points. Here we see that we draw a perpendicular from point to x-axis. We get the value is 2, and we draw a perpendicular from point to y-axis, we get value is 3, that is ordinate. But if we want to find distance from x-axis, that is the value of y. That is the value of y. Means the distance from x-axis is 3 and the distance from y-axis is 2. Means if we find the distance from axis, then value will be interchanged to each other. Means the x value is the distance from y-axis and y value is the distance from x-axis. So by this method we can calculate distance from x-axis and y-axis easily. Means x-axis value is the distance from y-axis and y-axis value is distance from x-axis. But if we want to find the distance from 2 points, that is A and B. Let's take the coordinate of these 2 points. These 2 point coordinate is x1, y1 and x2, y2. But here if we draw a perpendicular from point to axis, we draw just like this from A point. If we draw a perpendicular from y-axis, that is this. Here we see that if we want to find the distance from AB, then it is a right angle triangle. AOB is a APB, AOB, whatever you want to name this point. APB is a right angle triangle because x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other, and if we draw a perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis, then they are also perpendicular to each other. That means triangle APB is right angle triangle at P. In right angle triangle, we have already learned that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Write it, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Base square plus perpendicular square. Now we take the distance of these values. AB we does not know because we have to find it, so write it as it is. But AP, these both are lie on parallel to x-axis on a line. Means y value are same for these both. Here on AP is the perpendicular on y-axis, then its y value are same. Similarly, BP are perpendicular on x-axis, then its x value are same. Means P coordinate value is x2, y1. Now, if we want to find the value of AP, we have to see that A and P x value are same. Y value are same. Then we can find the distance from AP means x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 whole square. Similarly, we can find the distance of BP. Here x2 value are same, then y2 minus y1 whole square. Now the distance of any 2 point on graph is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is the distance formula of any 2 point in graph, means coordinate geometry. So by this method we can calculate the distance of any 2 point in graph. So let's take another questions. Let's take this question. Question is this 1 2 1 minus 1 3 minus 2 minus 4 3 minus 2 2 0 and 0 3. These are we have some coordinate. So we have to plot these coordinate in graph. For drawing these coordinate in graph, first we draw a axis y, y dash and x dash x. Origin is O, 0. And always we know that the positive value of x-axis in right side and the negative is left side. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. These are the point of x-axis and y-axis. Now we want to plot first point coordinate 1, 2. So first we take the one value on x-axis. First value take only always x-axis. I take one value on x-axis is this, and we draw a perpendicular up and down side. If the second value are positive, then we take the value of upper side, and if it is negative, then we take the value downside. So 1 take 2 value of upper side means here. It is the point of coordinate 2, 3. Second, minus 1, 3. First we take the value of minus 1 is this, and take 3 means upper side. Means this point coordinate is minus 1, 3. Next point is minus 2, minus 4. We take minus 2 and we join it by minus 4. Minus 4 is downside. So C point coordinate is minus 2 and minus 4. Next point, coordinate is 3, minus 2. First we take the value of x-axis is 3. It is this, and minus means downside, and minus 2 means this point coordinate is 3, minus 2. Similarly, if we want to take next point E 2, 0 means 2, 0 means first we take the value of x-axis, and here y value is not positive and not negative, so we does not do anything. This is the our answer. So E point is this 2, 0. And finally, we get x value is 0. X value is 0 on origin. And we take the value of 3, means positive on upper side. So 3 value is here, and last our coordinate is 0, 3. By this method, we can calculate and mark the all coordinate in graph. All coordinate in graph. If you want to mark any point in graph, first we take the value of x-axis. Then if y value is positive, take value of upper side, and y value is negative, then take downside. So let's take another question. Let we have two coordinate A and B. Then find the distance. Then find AB. Find the distance from this on this point, and in other language find AB. So we have already know that the formula of distance formula is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Some books have this formula by represent under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. That are also same, because in square minus sign does not depend on value. So by this method formula we can find the value of AB. For AB we know that here x1, x2 and y1, y2 are not given in questions. Here value given. So we can suppose any one value is x1, y1 and any other value is x2, y2. So I take x1, y1 this and x2, y2 this. Now always remember that in this formula x2, y2 value write the as it is in formula, right? As it is in formula 5 minus plus 6 minus. Always y value x2, y2 value on formula as it is. But whenever you write the value of x1, y1, then change the sign. Always remember that here x1 sign is plus 2. Then write in formula is minus 2. Because between minus sign, change the value of sign. In second, here value is plus 3. Then we write it minus 3. By this method, AB equals to 3 whole square. And next 3 square. Here we get 9 plus 9, it is 18. In previous time we have already learned that if we have any root number, then we take the prime factor and take common if we have any pair. So we can change it by prime factor 3 root 2. If you have any problem, then check it. 18 divided by 2, 9 divided by 3, 3, 3 divided by 3, 1. Here we have pair of 3. So we write 3 in the outside and 2 is inside. So let's take another questions. Here we have given 2 points P and Q, which coordinate is 8t1 square and 2at1, and second point coordinate is 8t2 square and 2at2. Here both value are given in alphabet, is not given in number. In number we can easily solve by this method, but also we can find the distance of these 2 points which coordinate are given in alphabet. Our answer will become in alphabet, but it does not have any problem. So take formula. Formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Generally, we take first point coordinate is x1 y1 and second point coordinate is x2 y2. By this method, we have write this value in coordinate. X2 value write as it is. So x2 is at2 square. Next, minus at1 square whole square. at1 square whole square. Next point, plus we take y2 2at2 minus 2at1 whole square. Now we can take, if common, then take common. Here in first part we can take common is a. Then if we take common in square terms, then it will be square in outside. So if we take common inside is a, then it will become outside is a square. Then it is here is a square. Next we have t2 square minus t1 square whole square. Next, plus we take common 2a, then we get 4a square. 4a square. Now we get t2 minus t1 whole square. In next step, here we can solve a square is as it is, and we can write t2 square minus t1 square is t2 minus t1 and t2 plus t1. So now we get t2 minus t1 and t2 plus t1. Total whole square, complete whole square. Here 4a square t2 minus t1 we cannot solve because here both are in square form. So next step, I solve it in upper direction. Here in next, it is the square of t2 minus t1 and t2 plus t1, means it will be square of both of them. Here a square t2 minus t1 का whole square, t2 plus t1 का whole square plus 4a square and t2 minus t1 का whole square. Now we take again common, but in square root, square time, if we take common anything, then we take the square of that thing. But in square root, if we take common of anything, then take square root here. So we can take the common a square, then outside it will become a. t2 minus t1 का whole square, then outside it will become t2 minus t1. And in root, we get t2 plus t1 का whole square plus 4a square. t2 plus t1 का whole square plus 4a square. It is our solution in alphabet. By this method, we can calculate the distance of any two point of a graph, means coordinate. So, thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe and click on bell icon. So, thank you.